So you want to know how something is facing. Use get actor rotation. It gives you rotation angle, pitch, yaw, and roll of an actor. Now this is the node need to use it to get the rotation. Now you can either use it by splitting the structure where you can get roll, pitch, and yaw differently, or you can use it directly like this. Now for this, I'm gonna use a print string node so I can show you how it is actually used. So print string, then I'm going to connect the rotation to string and it will just convert it to it. How convenient. Then we are here and I will just click play. And as you can see, I have this cube here. So why it's not printing? Okay, I just stopped it. So yeah, now I will go there and it will just show me, yeah, here that it is pointing at 0, 0 and 0. If I change the yeah like this, you can see very clearly that we are changing the yaw. You can see the numbers. If you can't, like, let me put it like this. Yeah, now you can see the yaw values, right? And then what we do is we change it to X, and because it's already tilted, it is changing the pitch and roll as well. So you can get where the cube or a person or anything you want to check where it is moving towards. Now the yaw is generally used for NPCs or enemies, but pitch and roll is also super useful to use. You can just check it out individually like this, all of these values. So this is actually super useful in aiming, aligning object, or triggering effect in facing direction. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.